Okay, so let's place the furniture before we do the elevations. I have almost all the furniture that I wanted, so I can just move the sofa and I place it. Okay, control. Okay, maybe. See, I can eyeball it. It's not a big deal. I place that one there. I need a side table kind of here, I guess. And to make it nicer, I just mirror it to make sure it's in the same distance from my sofa. And then what else? I have the TV stand. I move the TV stand from here, turn off the ortho, so I place it maybe here. Then I need the TV, and I grab it from here and I place it on the TV stand. So as you can see, now it's under the TV stand because it has a wipeout. So I select it, right click and go to drawing order, and I bring it to the front. Okay, so this thing would happen when you are using wipeout or hatch. It happens. You have to just play around and bring it to the front and or to the back. So the only thing is missing. I have a coffee table here. We didn't make it because it's a easy thing, and I just need it in plan. So I just draw a rectangle, and it is 48, comma 24, and you know what, maybe I'm not making a block of it. It's nothing that, it's not a really block. Or if you want, you can make a block. I'm just adding wipeout, and I select polyline, select it, and no, we're gonna keep it. Then I select it. You know what, like, let's make a block. Be inter coffee table, peak point, I don't know, maybe center. Select object is this one. Okay, then I would just move it and place it somewhere here. And don't forget to change the layer. This is layer 0, but that's part of our furniture, so I put it in layer 0. So layer furniture. So I have everything that I needed. Now I go ahead and start my, you know, elevations. I can, put these guys closer together. I need them later, so I place them there. Then I just copy, see the top part of this plan, and you know what? Let's copy everything. I copy everything and I bring it out here. Okay, and what I would do, I copy another one. So I draw a line and I ignore the coffee table. Even, it's not a big deal. I didn't do elevation, so I'm not showing it. Then I use trim. This is my cutting edge for my elevation. I'm standing here and I'm looking at that wall. I see the sofa and I see the coffee tables. So that's it. For the next one, I would rotate it. Okay, I would rotate it maybe this way. Okay, then immediately I would make another copy for the next elevation. Then I decide where I want to put my line. So the only thing that I have all elevation is my side table. So I ignore the sofa. I'm not making a section of my sofa. Never ever we do that. We just show this wall, maybe with the side elevation of this side table. Then I would just delete this sofa. I don't want to trim it. Erase, trim, and I do something like that, and I erase this one too. then I erase everything else. Then here I use rotate and I rotate it one more time. So this time I see this one, and remember, because now it's too close to this one, it's hard to select everything. I just type M, enter. If I type P, AutoCAD select the previous selection, and I can easily move it further from this one, and even maybe I bring it a little bit lower, something like that. Then I copy this line and I place it maybe here. Then I go ahead and trim everything after that line, and I erase everything here. I also can go and grab this guy and put it side by side, so I have everything aligned. Oh, I forgot to copy this one more time, so I go and grab this one. But see, it was much easier when I copied the same time, so I just rotate it in the right direction and that's it. But I know which elevation is missing. I am missing the elevation with window, so here you go. Then I just draw another line from here to here. That's good. Trim, and I trim everything after that line, and I erase everything after this line. Again, I just want to show the side of this one. I'm not cutting the TV stand, I'm not cutting the sofa. That's all. So the next thing that I would do, I just draw a line as my floor. This is my floor. Then I look at my elevation. So the height of the ceiling, offset 9'6". This is offset 9'6". This is the height of my ceiling. Then I can just use XL vertical, and I just select this inside the wall. You know what? It's not a complicated elevation. I would select the furniture right now. If I had, I mean, window, door, and too many things, maybe I just do those first, then I put the furniture, but this is a really easy elevation. So then I can use trim, and I just select the outlines and I trim them. This one, and maybe just these two for now. So see, I have the box for my room. I select the ground floor. This is the thickest layer that I have, and it's elevation 6, and the rest, these two and this one, I put it in cyan or elevation 5. Then the next thing that I have to do is just grab the furniture and put it inside. So I go copy or move, you know, I don't need it here. I just move this one from this corner. I guess I mark that corner. See, this is this corner, so I put it here, and the same thing here. See, I select that corner. So I can just copy this one, and I select this as my base point and perpendicular to this one. So this is the right place for both of them. Now I go move my sofa. See, this is the base point and the best point. See, from this corner, it's exactly the end of the sofa that I specified, and I just go and click here. So I can just erase all this guideline, and the only thing is missing is my baseboard. So I offset 4 inch, and because I add you know, wipeout, I'm not trimming anything. I keep the baseboard. The only thing is I don't want it this thick. I go and change it to elevation 2. Okay, so that's it.